If you look at this here, you see how it's sloppy, and I can even pick it up. Y'all hear that clutter? I don't know what that squeaking noise is. Maybe I shouldn't pick it up. Now, that squeaking noise is worrying me. What do you guys think that could be? That's concerning, because I don't think I heard that last night. That could be bad. I hope it's not bad. I hope it's nothing with this transmission. You guys let me know if you think the transmission noise is bad. I'm hoping it's just the shifter itself. Okay, now it's... I don't know, it stopped for a second after I moved this. Oh man, this doesn't sound good, y'all. Now I'm hearing that squeaking noise. Instead of being like down here, I hear it like in the back. So, family, it sounds like it's coming from up front. Could that be the engine? Or is that the torque tube? Is it a pulley? I don't know. Honestly, don't know. Sounds like a pulley. What do you guys think? Go ahead, set it off. Set it off. Y'all let me know what y'all think it is. Hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna need these subscribers in order to get this fixed. It doesn't sound like a pulley. It sounds like it's coming from like the engine area. So I don't know if when I shifted into second or tried to go into second and hit it, if it blew something or if something happened, but yeah. Last time I had a squeak it was a belt. So I replaced the belt. I was hoping that maybe it is the belt again, but with the belt, the squeak will go away, and this isn't going away. So we'll see what happens. This damn car is a continuous work in progress. I'm gonna look at the belt, make sure they all look okay. One thing I will say is that, which the camera probably isn't picking it up because of the stabilization, it seems like the car is shaking a little bit more than it usually does with the cam. Looks like the squeak noise does stop about when the belt stops. So that would be fantastic if it is just like a belt or a pulley and not something internal. But I don't even know if something would squeak internally. I don't know. I'm learning as I go, as you guys can see, but I'm going to get it together. All right, family, so let's go ahead and go for a ride and see what this car does.
Few moments later.
All right, family, so we've spent a few hours driving the car. Something is definitely wrong. More than just a squeak, more than just a pulley. It's something internally wrong with the engine. So it's still holding pressure. The PSI is still where, the oil PSI is still where it's supposed to be. It's not getting hot. Everything looks good in terms of like gauges and temperature and pressure, but there's a lifter or something that has gone bad. I don't know how I broke the shifter and like all of a sudden that happened. So of course, after I broke it, I wasn't driving it hard and I didn't hear it right away. It was honestly, it was after I had gotten it home, and then I tried to drive it a couple blocks away in order to store it while I was in Vegas. So, and I do have a garage, but it was more light in where I was trying to take it. So it was on the way to her house, in which I noticed that it was squeaking, okay? So I don't know, again, what caused it to, I don't know what caused it to squeak after the fact, but definitely something wrong. It's still running strong. but I'm gonna have to break down the engine or take it somewhere and let them do it. So we'll see. So one thing that I am going to do, family, is try to check the oil real quick and see if it's low. I can't imagine it being low because nothing happened. It's not leaking anywhere, so it really doesn't make any sense. But I'm going to go ahead and check the oil level just to see if it's low. I doubt it, but it has to be like a valve ticking or something. I don't know much about the internals of engines, so it'll be a new experience for me if I do decide to fix it myself. And if I don't, it'll be some more money out of my goddamn pockets. We're gonna go ahead and check this oil real quick. All right, so you guys can see that it has oil on it there. I mean, it looks fine. And then, I mean, it's a little dirty, but shouldn't be doing what it's doing right now. So maybe an engine rebuild in the works. Yeah, not low. Now what I will show y'all is when I first got the oil off, you see that like dirt there, so I don't know if that's like metal shavings or something. I do know that when I change my oil from time to time, there is like metal on the magnet of the oil drain plug, so something's gotten serious. I don't know why the shifter braking caused this to happen. All right, family, so I forgot to record how the car sounds now. So the squeaky noise is gone, and now it's more of like a ticking noise, which I already thought it was going to be something internal, and I think I'm going to be correct. So I'm going to let you guys listen to how it sounds inside the vehicle, and then we'll pop outside and see what it sounds like as well, okay? So I'm going to be quiet for just a second. So I don't know if you guys can hear that little like ticking noise, but that's what I'm hearing. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like if I give it just a little rev, just a small one. So you can hear it speeds up as I rev it just a little bit. And again, I mean, I'm going to 1500 RPM. I mean, I'm not doing nothing crazy because I don't want to mess anything up too bad, okay? But that's what it sounds like when the revolutions increase. And let's hear it from outside. All right, so even before I pop the hood, you guys can hear that sound like a lifter or something. You hear it? So it seems like with the valve cover off, I can tell that it's coming from right here. So she's definitely hurt. Now I did talk to a guy who's a GM tech, and he said that he believes that it's going to be a valve lifter. He said it's not going to be a hard job to do, but I'm not mechanically inclined at all. It'll be a good learning experience. As you guys can see, I'll try to get in there and see what I can do, but I may have to go ahead and make that sacrifice. It'll teach me something new, and that way I can get this issue fixed, because fortunately, which I'm going to go ahead and jinx all of Illinois, fortunately we haven't had any snow yet, and right now like the weather is pretty decent now. I'm kind of overdressed, but this is how people get sick. They dress down on the nice days. You guys let me know what you think this is, if it's going to be a cheap fix, if I should just rebuild the engine, or what route I need to go. All right, appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.